friends, welcome back. Today we're talking about mid-segment of triangles. Let's take a look at our first example here. Okay, if you were given a triangle and you are told that this is the midpoint, you have two midpoints that connect each other. And remember, the midpoint means that it creates two equal and congruent parts, right? So we know TW is congruent to WS and VR and VS are congruent. If those are the middle points, the mid-segments, then this guy right in here is half of this one right here. So in this case, it would be 3. I want to call this our base, but it's at the top. But imagine it flipped around, so it's half of the base. Okay, so let's take a look. Grab your notebook. Let's write this next one down. So we know that this guy right over here is 6. This outside, this base here, is going to be double that, which is 12. So for DB, we get 12. All right, now that you've got the idea here, and we're only allowed to say that because we are told that this is the midpoint. And we know that this is the midpoint because these guys are congruent. That's the very definition of midpoint. Let's look at number 3. Okay, so find X. All right, well, we know that this is going to be half of what this guy is. So whatever this is, if we double it, it's going to equal this. So we take, or if we double this, it'll equal that. So we get 2x minus 3, and we double it, that's going to equal 2x plus 6. Okay, so that's going to give us 4x minus 6 equals 2x plus 6 minus 2x minus 2x. You always want to deal with your variables first when you have them on both sides, because in case your x is a 0, it will help. It won't be looking as wonky. So 2x minus 6 equals 6. Add 6 to both sides. All right, that's going to run into my next problem. So we get, I'm going to just write it up here. 2x equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. We get x equals 6. Now, go back, read the question. This is geometry. Read the question. Make sure you've answered the correct question. It says find x. We did. It equals 6. Excellent work. All right, let's take a look at number 4 here. I got to move my stuff out of the way so I can move my camera. Number 4. All right, again, this is going to be twice whatever this is. So all we have to say is 3x minus 4 equals twice of whatever the inside is. All right, let's do some distribution. 3x minus 4 equals 4x minus 12. Let's see. Let's deal with our variables first. Like I said before, minus 3x minus 3x. I moved it to the right so that it's not negative. Negative 4 equals x minus 12. Add 12 to both sides, and I get x equals, I'm running out of room here, so I'll write it over here. X equals 8. Now, have I answered the question? Absolutely not. It says find Vx, and Vx is not 8. Vx is this thing right over here, 3x minus 4. So we say, okay, Vx equals 3x minus 4, x equals 8. So we say Vx equals 3 times 8 minus 4. 3 times 8, 24, minus 4. Vx equals 20. You have now correctly answered the question. Hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.